Hi everyone, and welcome back for another planting video. If you're new here, my name is Cheyenne and this is the Patronus Plant Room, and I'm happy to have you join me for another video. Today we are just doing an somewhat emergency repot on my snake plant here. It is on my back patio normally, or at least it has been for the last few weeks, and like 2 nights ago, it blew off the patio. I'm not sure how well you can actually see what's going on, but the pot that it's in busted open and it is just kind of splayed all over. And this one definitely needs a repot anyways. There's a new growth coming up right here in the middle that is kind of expanding the pot, so that probably just didn't help because this pot was already pushed to its limits. And you can see there's like other ones growing up over here, which I'll show you when we get closer. But yeah, it's just a quick repot. I'm gonna put it into this slightly bigger pot here, and yeah, so it'll be pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and reposition the camera so you guys can see better here while I'm working, and we'll get this repotted really quick. All right, so I'm just gonna set up my little repotting mat so I don't make this space too messy, but this should be pretty straightforward. I mean, I'm mostly just going to pull this one out of the pot here. As you can see where it broke. The plastic, it was pretty old. This thing has been in this pot for probably a couple years now as it's been propagating, and I just kind of let it do its thing. And like you can see, like right there's like a new growth starting to come up, and it's just like pushing on the side of the pot there. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and get this thing off of here, if I even have to cut it off since it's already kind of misshapen. And then I'm just gonna probably just pretty much plop it into this pot. And it is used, I know, but that's okay because I do like to reuse them. And then I'm going to just use some of the succulent cactus mix that I made in my previous video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'll go ahead and put in some music unless I need to, you know, talk about anything as we go. So I got this guy out of its pot, and I just kind of took off some like the little random topsoil and just any other loose soil. I am honestly really surprised at the condition that this guy is still in. When it took a tumble on the back porch, it was like, I mean, it was at least like a 2 foot to 3 foot drop. It was on the top of my plant shelf, like the top shelf that's of my rack out on the back patio. So I'm impressed. The only thing that took any damage was the pot. Like the plant is perfect. There's like not even like a bent or broken piece as far as I can see. So that is really like just really good, because when I first saw it on the ground out there, you know, my heart did sink a little bit. Like, you know, I was just worried that something happened to it, but you know, that's just kind of, that it's just part of like having plants outside. Like sometimes something's gonna happen, whether it's pests or other kind of natural issues that can arise. And like, yeah, I just honestly, I don't even know how it fell, because like it seems like it just fell like off the shelf sideways and then straight down. But yeah, I don't know, but I'm just happy that it is in one piece. and I think he's just wanted to go ahead and get repotted, so maybe he just jumped off the shelf. So I would get the task done since I've been putting it off. But yeah, again, I'm just gonna be using some succulent cactus soil like I made in my previous video. As you can see here, it is just the cactus succulent soil you can get, Miracle Grow, I believe, that you can just get at the store. And then it just has extra sand added to make it extra airy for these guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this and get this done. Alright, that is all repotted now, and I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the back patio. I'm going to insert some footage so you guys can see it there. Hopefully, I'll put it in a thicker pot or heavier, like decorative pot, and hopefully it won't blow over again. I think that it was just really tall and awkward because it was in this 3D printed pot here, which is really light. So what I'm guessing just happened, because you can see like how big it is compared. I'm just guessing that it just maybe caught some wind and blew over. So I'll put it in a heavier pot to keep it protected for the rest of summer while it's out there. I mean, but you can see it's growing some really pretty coloring, and yeah, it's got like all these new growths. It's got like this one right here, and there were a few others that looked like they were gonna pop up here soon as I was repotting it. But yeah, she's just looking super pretty, and you know, I'm just loving all the color. Like, you can really see it really well, like all this striping in this one. I'm not exactly sure what type of snake plant or sansevieria that this is. It is just one that I got from cuttings from a friend years ago when I first started my plant journey, and they got the plant from someone else and they don't know the specific name, so I maybe will eventually figure it out. I think I've done a little research and I've come up with something like a Sansevieria comet, but I don't know, to be honest. So if you have any idea, let me know down in the comments. Oh, I'm tipping it a little too much. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, and if you know anything at all, because I have not been able to quite figure it out yet. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this pot here, because I don't keep it nice and sturdy, because this thing isn't gonna blow over. Like, I can barely even try and tip it. But there we go, all repotted. And like I said, hopefully this keeps it from falling again. And yeah, I am gonna go ahead and, like I said, put this back onto the back patio, and I will show some footage here. I mean, as you can see, it has this nice little spot up on top of the plant shelf here. This is like an east-facing patio, so it gets some morning direct sun, and then it just gets ambient sun throughout the rest of the day. But this plant here seems to be really loving it, and hopefully now with all this new room to grow, it will go ahead and sprout like crazy for the rest of the summer. But all right, that is gonna be everything for the video today. I know this was just a quick one, but I just needed to get this guy repotted and figured you guys would like to join me for that ride, and just kind of, you know, hang out. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe down below, because I would love to have you join me for future planty videos. And yeah, thank you for joining me and watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next planty video.